I was working on my degree for criminal justice with a minor in Homeland Security, and I also got my certificate in emergency management altogether. So I gathered all 3 levels of my degree to say, and decided that taking a look into emergency management with the certificate, and because my dad was a part of emergency management, that may be a good fit for myself. Although I was going to school in northern Arizona, I thought coming back down to the valley was a good fit, and decided to apply for an internship at DEMA. I'd like emergency management students to know that the DEMA Internship program is a great learning experience that has many takeaways that you will carry with you for the rest of your career. There's a lot of knowledge and information that you gain throughout the internship program that you may not gain through school. There's certain things that they may not teach you in school, but you will definitely learn them through the internship program.